In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Following that, use this plus at the bottom right one to create a new one. Then set up an hour at the top. And if you wish to use this alarm only once, you can tap on this switcher next to the late after alarm goes off to enable this option. If you want to use it more than once, tap on repeat and apply the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, shift alarms. You can adjust each one and save your changes by hitting OK. Or customize. Here, tap on days of the week you wanna apply, and when you finished, tap on the back button. Now select ringtone. You can pick any of those melodies by tapping on the best one. Hit Got It and go back, or click on All Ringtones at the bottom right corner. Then choose pre-installed ringtones here and tap on Apply next to the best one for you. Confirm your choice by choosing OK in the pop-up. If you wanna pick any song from your smartphone as your ringtone, click Pre-installed ringtones again. Use this plus at the bottom right corner and tap on one of those sound sources from which you want to get your audio file. Tap on the chosen one and make sure to click on Apply right next to it. Then hit OK and go back. Now use this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to turn it off or switch it on, and hit Label. Finally, you can name your alarm however you want to if you want to, and to save it, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it and pick whatever you want to from the pop-up. If you want to edit it, click on it, choose additional settings and make your changes. Then tap on the check mark again. To get rid of any alarm, you need to hold it, tap on all of those you wanna get rid of, and delete them thanks to the delete button at the bottom. Last but not least, so manage some more settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Click on settings in the pop-up and adjust all of those to your liking, like volume. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!